free. I was born to be free.
Talking and there's no sound. There we go. There we go. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Listen, baby, we gotta talk, man. We gotta talk, man. We gotta talk. Who's in the chat? Chat, what's up? We have to have a conversation, but let me get my mic levels in check. Where my mods at? Talk to me. Talk to me, babies. Where's my chat? Why can't I see the chat? Oh my. Holy bananas. Hold on. Where did you guys go? Why are we having technical difficulties this early? Test. Can you guys see this? Oh, there we go. All right, we're back. We're back. We're back. All right, y'all. Listen. We have to talk, man. We got to talk badly. We got to talk. But before we do that, good morning, everybody. We got a couple of things different about today's stream. How is the volume, guys? Volume is good? How's the music volume? We're switching it up a little bit. We're hitting some techno today. Copyright free, of course. Guys, listen. Good morning. Dak, what's up, man? Good morning. Nikhil, what's up, brother? Good morning. Donkey Stonka, my dude. Good morning. Jeff. What's up, Chaz? What's up, man? Good morning. How are y'all doing? Tony, hi. What's up, man? Javier. G, what's up, bro? Kill us out. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Belubna. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Janice? How are you? Guys, listen, we gotta talk, man. We gotta talk. All right, listen. First things first. There's a couple things different about this stream. Number one, the music. Number two, guys, my treadmill broke, so I'm sitting down, so it's not as fun. It's not as energetic. So please bear with me. I'm very upset about it. That's probably the main thing. And number three, for the first time in a long time, Bitcoin has had a little bit of a drop here. So we're gonna talk about it, man. We're gonna talk about BTC. We'll look at some alts. We'll look at a couple things. You know, we got a couple of announcements as well. We're gonna also talk about the bootcamp giveaway today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But guys, listen, it's the morning, man. How was your weekend? How's good morning, good Monday morning. I'm a morning person. I mean, I'm a night person also. I'm a 24/7 person. But how is everybody? How was everyone's weekend? How y'all doing? And while I get that feedback, make sure you guys hit the like button right off the jump so we can get into what the heck has been going on here. Because, man, I'm gonna tell you guys, this price action has been super strange. We're gonna talk about it, okay? This is not normal price action. I have to tell you. Give you the code. You will get the code, Zishan, you will get the code, I promise. A little bit later in the stream, so make sure that you stick around. Guys, the cover of this video was this, okay? Why is this so transparent? Why is this so transparent? All right, this was our thumbnail. Guys, look, do you guys know who this is? You guys know who this is? His name is Neymar. You know anything about Neymar? Because if you don't, I could tell you a thing or two about Neymar, guys. Neymar is one of the best, I guess we'll call it footballers for my non-Americans, but one of the best. You know what? I'm going to stand, man. I can't sit down during this stream. Let's rise. Let's rise together. I'm going to stand, man. I can't do this. I can't do this sitting down thing anymore. I did the sitting down thing pre like having this desk, but I gotta stand, man. I gotta move around. We got energy, baby. We got energy. Listen, Neymar, you know what you guys are right now? I'm gonna tell you guys what you are right now. You are Neymar, okay? You are this dude. All right? I need you guys to hear me out right now. If there's nothing else you listen on the stream, you are Neymar, okay? Neymar's a very good soccer player, arguably one of the best in the world, whatever, okay? What happens when Neymar touches the field? Every single player on the opposing team knows how good he is, and they attack him, like literally. Like man, you will see some of the highlights. He gets wrecked, dude. He gets wrecked, okay? These other guys, they hit him. They body him all the time. It's very hard for him to play because he's a good player. And they know, all right, we got to get this guy off the field. You are Neymar, okay? Maybe you're not as good as Neymar yet. Maybe I'm not as good as Neymar yet, but we are the player, okay? The market makers are the other team that are bodying you, okay? They are going to body you. Their job is to make sure that you lose and you get bodied. And guys, don't end up like him, okay? Don't end up crying like him. The signs were there. The signs are here, all right? So we're going to talk about it, but that's my little analogy for you this morning. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Let me see who's in the chat right now. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button, Jen. It says, I agree. That's a Chad move, breaking the treadmill, Geo. Bro, I don't know, man. You know what? This thing was like heating up all the time. Anyways, whatever. I emailed them. So they answered me back. I sent them pictures and stuff. So we'll see. Hopefully I get, here, I'll just do like knee ups or whatever, you know, like high knees. I'll do high knees the whole stream to compensate for it. I got to move around, man. I can't sit down. I got too much energy. Baby. All right, listen. I feel like I'm screaming at you guys so early on a Monday morning, and that ain't the wave for a lot of you guys. All right. Javier, good afternoon then. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. Gio, the amount of fake of fake accounts is crazy. Yeah, guys. Okay, look. We're going to get into the TA here. You're a cheerleader. That's pretty cool. We're going to get into the TA here, but before we do that, I have to say this, guys. Listen. As Silver pointed out very graciously on this in the chat here, lately there have been many fake geos, okay? Like more than normal, all right? I gotta tell you guys, man, I ban these guys all the time, right? I ban them all the time. I look for them. Look, right here, there's another one. There's 2 more. Yo, there's so many, man. I ban them literally all the time. And I can't stop it, man. I can't stop it. I try my very best. So listen, I need you guys to understand something. Unless you hear something from the horse's mouth, okay? Unless you hear it from the horse's mouth, you guys, I don't want you to buy anything. I don't want you to deposit any money anywhere. I don't want anything, okay? Because these guys, listen, there was somebody in my Discord 2 months ago, got banned, or sorry, not got banned, got scammed for almost 2 grand. Okay, so before we get into the TA, I promise we're gonna get into it now in just a second here. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Before we get into the TA, guys, please do not, under any circumstances, deposit any money on any exchange, because they do that. They're like, yo, I do copy trading. You just got to deposit into this exchange. Don't do it. I do not do copy trading. Okay, don't listen to them. Don't deposit money anywhere. Don't do anything. The only people that you can trust in the entire Discord are myself and my moderators. If you don't hear it from one of our mouths or typing, do not do it. Okay? And to eliminate these scams, I encourage all of you to add me as a friend so you know who the real Geo is. Some of these guys can be deceiving, man. When I go to ban them, I'm like, yo, am I banning myself right now? Like, look at these. Oh my, yo, mods, if you're in here, which I hope you are, can you guys get on this? I can't ban them this whole stream. Can you guys, like, yo, there's crazy, bro. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy, man. Don't do it. Don't deposit. Don't do anything. All right, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin. What do I think about Bitcoin going up or down this week? Let's start on the higher term time frames. Okay, we're gonna start on the higher term time frames. I don't want anybody to see this later and say, "Oh, Geo said." We're talking the long term time frames. Okay, guys, long term time frames. Let's hop on the daily. Daily, we have a red dot. What do we know by default? Okay, like market cipher 101. No, okay, that's not true. But my market cipher rules, right? With my market cipher rules, I say that if you see a red dot, you have to look to the left no matter what and find the vector candles. And you cannot be surprised if the price comes down to the vector candles. This is a little bit of an exaggeration. I'm not going to lie to you. Am I suggesting that Bitcoin is going to come to 30K tomorrow? No. But my point is for us to remain responsible is the word I'm going to use. For us to remain, thank you, Dak. For us to remain responsible, when we see a red dot, we look to the left, we look for the vector candles, and we say that it is possible for it to get recovered. So let's just say you wanted to open up a swing long here for whatever reason. Your stop loss literally cannot swing long. Your stop loss can't go under these lows that we put in earlier, this like for the past 2 weeks. It cannot go here. Why can it not go here? Because there's a vector candle below it. And when we build our narrative, we know that they can make a run for that. So guys, listen, everybody, there's a lot of conflict right now in the Discord. There's a lot of conflict on YouTube. I'm seeing more people. I'm the one that's kind of raising the conflict because I'm saying that we're a little bit more bearish and people are too bullish. And everyone's like, nope, Bitcoin's going to 40K, and you guys are married to 40K. Guys, 40K is so easy, man. That's such an easy short. Like, you think they're going to give you that? We're going to talk about the trickery. We're going to talk about all that. But listen, my point is, if you're going to, let's just say you're going to open up a swing long right now for whatever reason, which I highly, highly recommend against. You can't put your stop loss, honestly, anywhere lower than this point right here. Can you sustain a $11,000 stop loss? Like, come on, man. Let's be a little bit realistic. So that's number one, okay? Price can come down to that vector. Is it going to? Man, we're going to find out. We're going to dive in on the lower term time frames. What are these rectangles? We're going to hide these. We're going to dive down on the lower term time frames. Okay. And did I seriously not close any of that? All right, there we go. We're going to dive down on the lower term time frames, right? But we need to know that they can. All right. And by the way, this rule that I kind of created here, looking at the vector candles, looking at the dots and whatever, you can implement on all time frames, right? On literally all time frames. And it goes for green dots as well, right? So let's take a look here. Let's take a look. Here, for example, we're on the 4-hour time frame, right? We had a green dot. We looked to the left. We had red vectors. Those red vectors got recovered, right? And for those who may be new, what I mean by recovered is just price goes back to that level. It doesn't leave that gap, okay? So red vectors down, green dot, boom, we came up. Red dot, we recovered the green vector, boom. Green dot, we recovered these red vectors, boom, right? Red dot, we came down, recovered these green vectors. So it's not that hard, guys. Like, you could literally trade on the 4-hour time frame just with vector candles and the dots. And I'm not suggesting that you do that, because there is a lot more to it, right? But let's take a look with the same example. 4-hour time frame, we are printing red vector candles, and I do actually expect to come a little bit lower, and I'm hoping for lower. Doesn't mean we will get it, but I am hopeful for it, because I have a scalp long ready to go. My orders are set in place. But so if we're using the same logic, right? Green dot, follow the vectors, boom, move up. Red dot, green, follow the vector, doom, down. Same thing here. So whenever this green dot happens, because it's gonna happen, right? We can expect to recover the red dot, or the red vector candles, and we have to be responsible. We can't say that we don't necessarily, like, we can't come up here, because we definitely can come back up to 38.2. 100% we can, right? So it's just a matter of finding the vectors and looking at the dots. So now on the daily time, coming back to the daily time frame, excuse me, we know, same logic, guys. Look at this, right? We had a green dot. You can't see because the money flow is like really thick here, but there is a red dot here. If I open up my actual market cipher, you'll see it a little bit more, right? Red dot recovered, or sorry, next green dot recovered the vector candle. Okay, very easy concept, guys. Very, very easy. By the way, a couple of you guys were asking me about this indicator that I'm using, and I'll have more info for you soon. But let's just say this is, let me actually show you here real quick while we're here. I told you guys that, man, I love to give you guys free value as much as I can. I will make life easier for you as much as I can. And this is the first indicator that actually has money flow and momentum waves literally to the T 100%. Okay, so the bottom is market cipher B. The top is this indicator. I am working with the developer on it, so we'll have it for you soon. But it is literally 1-to-1 identical. I don't know how he did it. Many have tried before him. But 1-to-1, it is identical. So hopefully I got some good news for you guys soon. I'm working with the developer, and perhaps we can get you guys this version. And I'm testing it, right? I'm testing it. But nonetheless, we stand by that. Okay, so daily time frame, we know that price can come down all the way to 30K, even down to here, 27K. I'm not saying it will. Money flow is still thick. We got to be objective. But it can. All right, let's check the 2-day. 2 days, the same thing. Red dot. Look to the left. Where are the vectors? That's a lot of liquidity that we can grab, my friends. Right? A lot of liquidity that we can grab. So we're gonna jump down lower now, and we're gonna look at what we see. But before we continue, let me check some of the comments here. You know, what do I think about Bitcoin going up or going down? We're talking about that right now. It means I'm getting famous. You know what? Actually, Silver, the first time I had a fake account, I was like, "Mama, I made it!" Like in the Geo for President chat. That's literally what I said. They might be in the list of 72 watchers now. Get them banned. Yo, I don't know, man. I can't, bro. We banned them and then they like come back. I don't know. I don't know how they're doing it. I don't know how that. Maybe they're deleting the account and then reopening under the same name, because I swear, Dak, tell me that we haven't banned these guys so many times. All right. High five, Andrew, my boy. I love that. Okay. What do I think about the Binance drama? Should you change exchanges? I'll tell you this, man. I'm going to be very honest with you. I don't really know the drama. I don't really care. I'm being completely honest. That's my opinion here. I don't really know it. I don't really care about it. It's irrelevant to me. I know, from what I do know, is that Binance has always been sketchy. But to be honest, every exchange is sketchy. So should you take your money off of it? I mean, if you have another exchange that you could use, like MEXC, and you decide that you want to use my referral link, I suggest you do that, because I use MEXC. But, yeah, man, I don't know. I've heard bad things about Binance. I've heard good things about Binance. I don't really know the news. I don't really care about the news. I don't really follow the news. I trade the charts, man. Easy as that. So, I mean, I realize it's not the best answer, but I apologize. BTC to 15K. Hey, John Super Fresh. I really, really strongly don't disagree with you. I'll tell you that. It can go there, okay? People are too bullish, and y'all will feel the pain soon enough for whoever decides not to listen. Guys, like the stream or I'll come to your bed at 3 a.m. Shouts out to God. Yo, he's the funniest guy in the Discord. Here, there's a CME gap at 38.5. Is there? We'll take a look at it. Okay, VIP codes are coming a little bit later. Yeah, same guy's been banned 4 times. 92 watching. We got 95 people in here already. Guys, my last video got a lot of likes, man. And I really appreciate it. If you're actually, let me hit you with the tagline. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're returning, guys, you know that this move should not be a surprise to you. Gio, you need to right-click the profiles. The commands are iffy. I know, but you know what? I'll tell you this. When I right-click, I have to, like, get to their profiles. Right? I gotta, like... So I'd have to at them. I'd have to like at Geo, right? Find one. I can't right click here. So I'd have to like send it and then right click and then ban and then do that, whatever, ban. Like how many times I got to ban these guys, man? Listen, I understand y'all trying to be like me, but it is what it is. All right. Yeah. Mexi. So, okay, let me shill this to you real quick. And then we'll continue on the TA here. But yeah, guys, look, I got, my Mexi affiliate link. It's also in the description down below. So if you don't already have an exchange or you want to exchange on the same exchange that I'm trading on, it is a 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it is basically free and you can hit a lot of scalps like we do, man. Like we do that all the time. So I really appreciate it. It's also a free way for you to support me and the channel. So, you know, if you decide that you want to help out, I really appreciate all that support me. Also, to answer, I missed the comment, but yes, this is my 300% from the live stream on Friday. Friday, guys, if you don't know, we live streamed. Hold on. All right, listen. Yeah, so Friday's stream, guys. Friday's stream, we opened up this position live, okay? And when I entered it and I was scalping, guys, this is 100x leverage. When I was entering it, I went through it in full, like how I enter all my trades. I'm like, okay, the 1 minute's doing this, the 5 minutes doing this, the 10 minutes doing this. And you guys know I'm the #1 market cipher reader on the planet. So I'm one with the charts. I'm one with this indicator. And so I was explaining it for you guys all, and man, I'm just saying, like, Friday's stream, man, is so much value in itself. Go back and watch the stream if you missed it. But this trade was opened on Friday, and I was like, yo, we're probably SFPing the daily right now. I'm gonna scalp this, but I'm gonna turn it into a swing trade. And sure and behold, here we are. Let's hit it one more time.
Get money, motherfucker, get money.
Okay, all right.
Let's get money.
Mother, woo! I need to, like, get a version that doesn't swear because, you know, monetization and shite. All right, guys, listen. Let's continue. Okay, so look, 4-hour money flow. We talked about this on yesterday's video, guys. Look. Listen. Let me make life so easy. Oh, hold on. There we go. We were a little bit loud. Let me make life so blubbery easy for you. That is definitely not the right word, but I thought of it and I said it and you heard it and here we are, and get over it, okay? Look, when price is increasing and momentum and money flow, okay? When momentum and money flow are decreasing, guys, there ain't no longs here. By the way, anyone that's just joining, please don't. This is not a trend line. I don't draw trend lines. But my point is, when price is increasing and momentum and money flow are decreasing, guys, this is not the time to swing long, okay? At all. So, as I mentioned on yesterday's video, if you're scalping, in my opinion, you should be holding on to those shorts a little bit more than you're holding on to the longs. All right, we're still gonna play the range. We're still gonna do it. I went over it yesterday, right? We still want, excuse me, we still want to be paying attention. We still want to give priority to the shorts, guys, because look, I said it many times. If we get yet, if we get yet another divergence, fine. I'm not saying we can't come up to the high again, but if we get yet another divergence, like, the short is coming, guys. It is coming, whether you like it or not. All right. Geo 42K, 9 to 14K is going to be wild. I do believe, I don't know if we're going to hit 42. Honestly, guys, look, on Friday's stream, I told you when I shorted from up here, this entry is from 38 to like 50 or something, 260. Like, I entered from like basically right here. Okay. That's this position right here. I told you guys that this could be the yearly high as I was shorting it. All right. Now, I'm going to be very honest. I'm going to be so honest, guys. Look. In my opinion, we haven't bottomed out yet today. We're going to dive in. We're going to go in the lower term time frames. We haven't, we haven't bottomed out today. I think we're going to come down lower. We'll go down to there. But I was telling you on Friday that this was a swing short, and I was telling you that this could be the yearly high. So, you know, it is what it is. Yo, what's up, Wilson? What's up, Pikesion?
Somehow, everything was different.
AZTV was popping.
Person had emerged from me.
Mobile data got over, and I don't have Wi-Fi here. Just spent another recharge of internet. Oh man, that sucks. What's the big deal about the Chicago whatever exchange? Why do people reference the CNE? I have literally no idea. Oh, because CME. I thought you said CNE. Because they like to get filled. They tend to get filled. And look, let's be objective. Let's come down now. We've been talking about macro for quite some time. Let's take a look, guys. Look. 1 hour time frame right now. We have a bull diff, okay? 100%. Why is this not drawing? 100% we have a bull diff right now, right? We got this. However, big however, okay? Remember, stick with the rules, guys. Look, I am objective. You have to be objective. Stick with the rules. Green dot, look to the left. Where's the vector candle? The vector candle's here. Could we come up to this zone? Absolutely, we could, okay? Absolutely, we could. Do we have an order block here? Absolutely, we do, right? We got a nice order block right there. So could they come up, tap the order block, and continue the move to the downside? Yeah. Could they come up, break the order block, and continue higher? Yeah. Are they going to? I don't think so. Why? We have a bull div. There's two kinds of bull divs that I like. I like money flow and momentum wave divergences. Let me see if I can find one. Actually, any divergences will be to the upside. Okay, so look at this. Look at this one here, right? So here we had price increasing. This was an easy short, by the way. Here we had price increasing. Okay, price increasing. But we had momentum waves. Is that a momentum wave decrease? Okay, ever so slightly, it is a momentum wave decrease. But even if, more important than that, we have money flow. A huge money flow divergence, right? And what comes from a money flow div? Obviously, when we have a money flow and a momentum wave divergence, we prefer the downside. Like in this case, it would be a bearish case. We prefer that, right? If we have thick money flow, and when I say thick, guys, I don't mean move your cursor, find -20. Geo said -20 is thick. Thick relative to like its previous point in time, right? So this red wave is thicker than this red wave. I would say it's a thick wave right now. When we have a thick wave, as we have right now, I want to see two things. I either want to see another divergence, right? Another divergence with the money flow. Why is this not working? Oh my goodness. I either want to see something like this, right? Where we have 3 waves of divergences. Let's just say money flow continues in the red, which it wouldn't go that much, but let's just say it's like that. Okay. Let's say that's our money flow. Okay. I either want to see 3 clear wave divergences, right? Like this, that would be 1, and then this would be 3. Or like 1, 2, and 3. So 3 waves of it, right? So I want to see this. I want to see 1, 2, and 3. If the money flow is going to remain thick for me to take the move seriously, right? If it's not that, then I want to see 1 divergence, right? So let's get rid of the second one. Get rid of the second divergence. Get rid of the second one. So let's just say money flow is increasing now, right? Let's say money flow is increasing. Let's say it's coming up, right? I could see this. This is okay. If money flow is giving us a divergence, especially if it's giving us a divergence over time, right? Like, let's say this money flow was higher than this whole, like this whole chunk of money flow is higher than this whole chunk. Like, in other words, money flow is diverging over time and we get a divergence with the waves. Then I'm like, all right, we're probably going to put in a significant bottom at that point. But that's not the case right now. And what do we know about money flow? And I've said this many times. The thicker the money flow, the thicker the money flow, the more divergences we can get. Doesn't mean we're going to, but it means we can get, right? And that's exactly what's happening right now. So yes, we have a bullish divergence. I mean, we got to obviously analyze the other term time frames as well. We got to realize that time is an oscillator, just like market cipher is an oscillator. So could the 1 minute bullish divergence make us clip this 4-hour wave? Yes, technically it could. Do I think it's going to? Not really. We're going to jump in really on the lower term time frames now, and we're going to analyze what we see, but not before I check the chat. Chat, what's going on? AZTV, what's up, brother? How you doing? Satoshi Nakamoto, what's up, bro? Do order blocks attract price? They do not. I mean, kind of. It's not that they attract price. It's that they will give you a rejection. And so they give you a strong point of interest, let's just say. Strong point of interest. We are trading in the daily value area high. Yeah, we're going to go into that. Started watching you last couple months or so here and there. Tired of the shillers. Oh, yeah? Yeah, I got you, man. Listen, like, I will say this. Now being on this side of YouTube, like, I understand it. I'm not saying that, you know, you should be shilled everything every 2 seconds, but I understand it because this is like what we do for a living. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, look, let's come down to the levels now. Enough talk, enough mumbo jumbo. Let's come down to the levels. So, my local range levels are here. Okay. Why do I want to come lower? Let me explain why I want to come lower. Okay. First of all, we're not in any of my trade zones. Okay. First of all, we're not in any of my trade zones, right? Second of all, this doesn't look like a bottom to me. This is like very kind of just, I mean, yeah, it's wiki, but like, I mean, look at this, guys. Okay. This is a 10-minute time frame. Like, look at this. This is not like, where's the liquidity grab? Where's the fast move down? Right? I don't see any fast move down. So, I mean, it doesn't really look bottomish to me. And look at that. Boom. The percentage is rising. So maybe we're going to hit this. Maybe we're going to hit this long together on stream. But I will tell you this, the 10-minute time frame, guys, look, I'm going to try to do what I did for you guys on Friday while the price was moving, because the price very well may move, right? And I got an alert here, long one, ready to go. Look, guys, look. This is how you have to think. This is how you look at market cipher. As the #1 reader of this indicator on the planet, even better than CryptoFace. Sorry, CryptoFace, if you're watching this, but it's the truth. Look, money flow is diverging over time on the 10-minute time frame. This is a good sign. Okay? So the money flow diverging on the 10 may give us confidence that this 1-hour divergence may actually give us a little bit of juice. Although, how much juice are we going to get? Are we going to get juice back up to the high and potentially grab this liquidity from that 1 hour? Probably not, because we don't have the money flow or the 3-wave divergence on the 1 hour, right? So if money flow on the 1 hour was also diverging, I would say, all right, we probably have gas to come back up here. I'll tell you this, we do have a vector candle up here, and we do have a lot of liquidity on this wave over here. So we can come back up. Are we going to right away? Probably not. So what do I think, based on the 1 hour, what do I think might happen, right? I think we might come up, hit our order block here, reject, maybe come a little bit lower again, putting in another divergence like this. And then that is the move that will take us up to these highs. right? So I think we need a little bit more time to do that potentially, right? Potentially. Now the 10-minute time frame is giving us the money flow and momentum wave divergences. Let's come on the 5. Let's see what we see on the 5. 5-minute time frame is not really giving us what we want to see. Over time, yes, we have money flow is increasing over time, right? But again, the way that I trade, I do not long unless we're in my zone. So am I going to long from here? No, right? Can it go up from here? Yes. Will I miss it if it does? Yes. No problem. No problem at all, right? But nonetheless, yesterday or 2 days ago, we came relatively close to this low. We did not fill this vector candle. We did not fill the fair value gap, right? And so why would we come down only to still not come and hit the zone? And I want to tell you guys why I have like real confidence with this zone, okay? If you don't know what a naked daily point of control is, I am going to be doing a boot camp either this month or next, or like December or January. I haven't decided yet on how to get all this and how to build my zones and whatever. So obviously make sure you're in the Discord. But these naked daily point of controls act as magnets. And right now we currently have one at 36571. So why on earth would we come down from 38.2 all the way down to 36.8, however much percent that is, 4%. Why would we come 4% down only to not grab this eventually? Right? So again, we're not longing unless we're in the zone, right? Let's say on the 1 hour time frame that this does play out. And what did we say? What if it bounces from here, which it could, right? Let's say it bounces from here, hits the order block, comes down, gives us the other divergence that we want, hits the level that we're waiting for, and does something like this, right? We already talked about that. That's how you, guys, this is how you build your narrative, okay? This is how you build the narrative, right? Let's come on the 3. 3-minute time frame is starting to look good, actually, especially if we get a quick move to the downside. Do I think that they're going to leave this liquidity? Probably not. Again, probably not. And we're not in my zone. I'm hoping that we come in and we take it right away. I'm hoping that we do now. Right, based on the 5-minute time frame, it looks like we could get what we love to say, the bang bang, baby, where we get bang bang bang, another divergence. Money flow is increasing over time, what we like to see. And so that's what we're waiting for. And we'll see, man. We'll see if we hit the long together. Let me check chats. Let me check the chat. Am I on Twitter? I'm not, man. You know what? I need to start utilizing like Twitter and TikTok and all that. I'm not really on those platforms. Igor, what's up, brother? Good morning. So okay, so Dak is saying there's a CME gap at 38 whatever. Where is it at? 38.5. By the way, guys, I'm gonna tell you right now. So while I'm waiting for Dak to reply, and while I'm waiting for you guys to hit the like button, there's 115 of you, and there's only 58 likes. So either half of you don't have hands, or you don't like free money. You don't like my free callouts, like I do in the Discord. Which, by the way, while we're waiting for that, guys, I think it might be, how long we've been streaming for? 40 minutes. It might be VIP code time. All right, it might be VIP code time. So let me just say this: if you're new here, my Discord is completely free. Make sure you join. The link is in the description down below. I have a free VIP section where I give you guys exactly what I'm looking for. Like this, for example. Let me show you, right? I want the bang bang, right? I want the bang bang, which I think we're gonna actually get. So bang bang, bang bang, boom, boom. And I do this, and I send it over, and I add everyone, and I write bang bang. Oh, whoops, I did this twice. And I go bang bang, baby. Anyways, the way that you join the VIP for the new members, I know the old ones you know, and I'm sorry, but for anyone that might be new here, every single video that I post, in the video, I give you guys a 4-digit code. That 4-digit code, you have to DM my GeoBot up here, the 4-digit code, in order for you to gain access. It's completely free for you to join. But after every video that I post or every live stream that I post, I do something called the purge. I purge y'all, which means I remove you all from VIP until you DM my bot the next code. The reason I do this is number one, so you actually learn, you actually listen and retain the knowledge that I give you for free. But number two, so that I can manipulate my watch time a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's completely fair and completely warranted. So this VIP code, guys, head over to the Discord on the top right, DM my bot 6816 right now. Head over to the bot 6816, and you'll have access to all of my free call outs. And I actually like watching you guys join it. So 6816, head on over to the VIP 6816. All right. Cucumber Eater is the first one in, baby. Let's see him roll in, baby. Let's see him roll in. There we go. You know what? I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to start doing a giveaway on whoever joins it first. Ooh, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. So make sure in future streams, we'll start doing bootcamp giveaways on the first one that enters. Okay. All right, guys, look. I'm going to talk a lot. I'm not going to check the chat. Let's talk. Let's talk real quick. Listen. So we have liquidity below us right now. We know that we're coming into our zone. What do I do? How do I enter? Most of the time. Look, if I see exactly what I'm seeing right now, we're going to talk fast. Keep up. 30-minute time frame. Let's see. 30-minute time frame is giving us a slight divergence, okay? And it actually is giving us a 3-wave divergence because this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, right? So we are getting a 3-wave div right now. Let's come on the 15. 15 is giving us money flow. No, 15 is not looking too hot, I have to say. 15 is not looking very, very good, I gotta say. Let's come to the 10. 10-minute is giving us a money flow and potentially, sorry, I'm drinking and then I'm hiccuping. Money flow and then potential momentum wave divergences as well. So the 10-minute looks good for us to long in this zone. Let's come to the 5. By the way, guys, I'm working on a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so, more info on that when I have more info. All right, 5-minute money flow is still not looking great, guys. So this isn't the best trade based on the 5. Let's come to the 3. I want to see something good. Okay, 3 is where we start to get a little bit better, right? We got money flow diverging as we're coming down on the 3-minute time frame, and we're putting in what I would consider a significant wave. This week, either tomorrow or the day after, I will release a market cipher video for you guys, and that is going to explain what I consider significant waves. It'll be very helpful, so make sure you stick around for that. But the 3-minute time frame right now is giving us a money flow div and potentially like a very deep significant wave. We still actually we did technically just grab that liquidity, so that's a shame if that's the low, but I don't believe it's the low because the green vector candle right now is market makers building their short position. So perhaps we come up a little bit and then we fall down for one more wave on top of that. But I'm not super convinced that that's the low yet. Let's just see. 2-minute time frame is starting to look really good. Excuse me, man, all this talking. 2-minute time frame is actually looking very good. This still doesn't look very bottomish to me. Yes, we grabbed liquidity, but I don't know, it doesn't feel like enough. But we don't trade on feelings. We'll see what happens. 2-minute time frame has money flow increasing over time, and we have a very deep wave. What if now we get something like this? What if we get this? What if we go bang, bang, one more fast drop? Whoops, that was not deep enough. One more fast drop where money flow is still increasing over time, right? And we hit our zone. So this is what I do, guys. When the price looks like this, and when money flow looks like this, and when the market cipher looks like this across the board, right? This is what we want to see. This is a good sign for our longs if we fall down to our zone. What do? I normally have limit orders set in place. I already have them in place. I set them before the stream, okay? So I do have limit orders already set. What do? When it's like this, and it could be a fast move, which it could be very quickly, I give myself a very definitive stop loss, right, wherever it is. And I don't do sniper entries. I do shotgun entries, which means I have one entry level there, one entry here, one entry here, one entry here. And what I do, guys, as you know, I don't trade on percentages. I trade based on unit sizes. So I have, for example, in my mind, first of all, hold on. Guys, we're about to fall into the zone. And I'm going to finish my sentence, but we have 120 people and only 70 likes. So I'm going to finish my sentence and then I'm going to wait for the likes to get up. Because if I'm giving you all this for free, I need you guys to hit the like button for me, please. Anyway, so I give myself a clearly defined invalidation, right? And I do shotgun entries. And I trade with position sizes, right? Not position sizes, sorry. Like unit sizes. So I'm like, all right, I'm allowed to lose however much, X amount, right? $200 this trade, $500 this trade, or whatever. And when I'm putting in these positions on my exchange MEXC, it'll tell me like, okay, if my invalidation is the same, like I use the same stop loss. So if my invalidation is here, let's say my stop loss is like down here, let's just say, right? When I enter this, when I limit in this one, it'll tell me, all right, I'll lose. Let's just say I'm allowed to lose 100, right? Here, if I enter, it'll say, okay, I'll lose $10. Here, I'll lose $20. So that's a total of 30. Here, I'll lose $20. So that's a total of 50. Here, I'll lose 70. And then here, I'll lose the last 100 if it hits the same price, right? That's what I do. Anyways, guys, look, we might actually get this trade live together. And I have my positions in place. I have to be honest with you, right? I got my shotgun entries ready, but I can't continue giving you guys this free knowledge if I don't get the likes up. I want to see those likes. 120 likes. We can be at least 100 likes. So I can give you guys the heat or I can just chill and drink my water. You tell me. Whatever you guys want. I can turn the music up. I don't need to talk. We can party. I'm going to wait for those likes to get up. And I'm going to block the screen. $100 likes, guys. I need 100 likes. I need the likes up. 2 more, baby. 2 more, and then I keep talking. Without the 2, I can't talk. Thank you guys for hitting the like button for me. All right. Let's get back to it, man. Let's get back to it, man. Guys, I gotta start, man, unless I don't know, I gotta hold your hand. All right. Okay. Let's see if we get it, man. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get the move. A fast move. Let me check the comments. Do I limit in at the 618? It depends, man. It depends. I build my confluence. Let's see what we have here. We got a lot of confluence here. I will tell you that, right? We got a lot of confluence down here. Let's zoom out a little bit, right? We got high volume node of the range. Let's zoom out. Let me show you. We got a high volume node of this range right over here. Let's zoom it out. Right, very high volume node at the top of this range, right? We got a recovery of this vector candle, which is good. We have a golden pocket. We have a 786. We got actually the point of control is not here anymore. Unless we have the macro point of control here. Let's check if we have the macro point of control here. I don't even know what we have here, but let me see. No, we don't. So we don't even have a point of control anymore. Okay, that's fine. We have a naked daily point of control, which is why I think at the very minimum we're coming to 36,571, if I'm being completely honest with you. We don't have a point of control. We can get rid of that. No problem. The psychological high and low, we don't have anymore because they changed it, but we have SFP levels as well. So let's take a look, man. What do we have? So we have this SFP that, I mean, it's not really an SFP because we're closing below. So it's not really an SFP, but we can SFP this low as well, right? At 243. We can SFP that. So that's something to take note of as well. That is something to take note of as well. We can SFP it. Let's see if we can find any order blocks down here. See if we can find some order blocks here. Interesting. We have a 15-minute order block down at the low of the range. Do we? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know if I'm crazy about that though. This is gonna be a big move, guys. This could be a very fast wick. I have to be very honest with you. If we get it, this could be a very fast wick. Could be a very, very fast wick. Yeah, this one I like a little bit more. I like this one a little bit more. I do like this one, but we have a whole range. Yeah, I do like this one. I don't know how probable it is. I gotta be honest with you. Don't know how probable this is. 1 hour. Yo, you guys like the music today? I switched it up. I kind of like it. Okay. We got the value area low. Let's see. That one I'm not crazy about. We got any 4 hours? No. 3 hours? No. 45. No. 30. No, not really. 15. Okay, we'll draw on the 15. Not super crazy about the 15, guys, but we do have a 15-minute order block down here as well. And guys, I gotta say this as well. A lot of the time, I find, hold on. Yeah, okay. Okay, a lot of the time I find that when we have a very fast wick, we actually just blow the range and we tap exactly into the order blocks. So could we get a very fast wick down to like 36? I do think so. I do think that we can. I do think that we can for sure. I'm gonna check the chat in 1 second, guys, just to make sure that I'm taking care of y'all. But before I do that, this technically is range based. We got range based order block right here. So we got a few levels, right? And we actually are tapping into the range based order block right now. I do still want a little bit lower. Are we gonna get it? I do not know. I do not know. Technically, this range order block is now mitigated, so it is possible that that was the low, but I'm still not crazy about it. Could be, though. Very well could be. I would like to come a little bit lower. For sure, I would like to come down a little bit lower, but we'll see. We shall see. All right, let me check chat. Bull run sound. All right, y'all vibing with the music this time. Beautiful. 109 likes. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all for kicking it with me. All right, now we dislike. That's so mean. 38.3 to 38.5 is the CME. By the way, just check the whole range of it. What is SFP? SFP is swing failure pattern. It's essentially a liquidity grab, right? It's if you have a level, like okay. Here we had a daily SFP. Let me go over this real quick. Okay, like we had a level here, and then we had a wick above it, which is a liquidity grab, and then we were unable to close above this, so it's a swing failure, and that's why it's called swing SFE, which is swing failure pattern. It's essentially just a liquidity grab. All right, guys, let me jump on the lower term time frames. Now that we hit our order block, I'm not gonna lie, guys, this could have been the low. It could have been. I don't want it to be, but it could have been. I have to be honest. It could have been. We could, if you so choose, if you wanted, you could start building the position. We are in the zone. I still don't like the fast wick. I feel like this was too easy of a low. I'm going to wait for a little bit lower. I do want a little bit lower. This could be it, though. Who knows? Who knows? All right. You got the daily at 36186. I believe I got a daily 36186. Yeah, I think. Let me see. No, I don't have a daily there. Are the market makers building up long positions? Yep. They are. But guys, remember, like, this is the range, right? And like based on volume theory, when you break below the value area low, it's possible to come down to the value area, the value area high. It's probable to come to the value area low. So for me, man, like, I gotta be honest, I would even target like the lower half of this box. I still think we haven't had that mass drop. Right? I still think we haven't had the mass drop. So, I mean, the range order block, we already know. We don't really need it, but whatever. It is there, technically. But yeah, I think we could SFP this and hit into this order block. I do think that makes a little bit more sense. So as of right now, even if it takes a few hours, which it could, I still kind of prefer coming down to like 36.1, 36.2. Right? I think we could get a very fast wick. And actually, since I'm saying that, let me change my orders here. Not my orders, but my TP, because I do think that we can come right here. I think this is a good place. Right here, I think is a very good place to bounce. 36181 to 36038. I do think is a very good place. Yeah, I think that's a good place. I think this is a good place. I will probably stack orders here. If we make it down there, let's come on the one. Let's see what's happening. So money flow is coming up on the one, guys. That could have been the low. I'm not going to lie. At least for a little while, that could have been the low. That could have been the low. Honestly, not as much of a wick as we would want to see. I got to be honest, but, you know, I gotta be objective here. Weak low. I agree, man. Very weak low. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a little bit. Gio, why do I do TA on Bybit, but I trade on MEXC? I'll tell you why. So, I used to trade on Bybit, and then Bybit started sucking, and then you needed KYC and whatever. And I'm going to be very honest with you guys, man, and I told you guys this a few times, but for me, I used to trade BTC USDT, and then everybody in Jay's Discord was saying that BTC USD is better, so I just kind of started using it, and it seems like the levels are pretty respected, so that's honestly kind of why. The VWAP on Market Cipher B is an awesome indicator. I agree, man. I have a whole signal called the Golden Nugget, if you don't know. If you do know, cool. If you don't know, you'll know soon. I'm going to make a video on it. The next couple weeks, guys, I'm going to do a lot of videos on Market Cipher. Right? A lot of videos on Market Cipher. Yo, are y'all vibing with the music or what? All right, guys, listen, you know what time it is. It's about that time, man. It's about that time where I gotta be right back in like 5 minutes. So drop an emoji if you know what I'm doing. I'll be back in like literally less than 5 minutes. Lucky for you guys, I'm very efficient. So I'll be back in like 5 minutes, guys. Drop the emoji if y'all know what I'm about to do. You guys see that efficiency? Everything I do in my life is efficient. All right. That's so funny, man. This has become a daily thing, bro. All right, guys. It's looking like we're getting a little bit of a pump here, which is kind of unfortunate. I got to be honest. I wanted a little bit lower still, and I still think that we might get it, right? I still think that we might get it. This could be, for now, a pretty decent low. I'm not gonna lie. That could have been the low that brings us up to this order block here at 37.4. I have to be very honest, and I have to be objective. It's kind of unfortunate because we didn't hit my TPs. It's kind of unfortunate because we didn't hit my limit longs. But that's okay, guys. That is 100% okay. We're not in our zone, so we don't hit the long button. Plain and simple. Did I wipe? Yeah, bro, I wiped. Come on now. Come on now. Listen, I'm efficient, bro. I'm efficient. I'm an efficient dude. You thought I would go take a hit? Woo! What do you mean this entire time? It was very efficient, baby. Y'all are funny, man. Y'all are funny. What dumps first? Geo or Bitcoin? Geo, the VWAP divs on Market Cipher are good enough to take long. Siren, I'm gonna have a video on that, so make sure you stick around for that. It's my golden nugget signal that I invented. I did not invent the name, but I invented the signal. So it was actually funny. I was doing a one-on-one lesson, and as I was teaching, I was like, yo, what the hell? Like, this is exactly the sickest signal ever. We're gonna retest 37.1 to 37.3. Yeah, it's possible. It is possible. I hope not, man. I hope we get one more. One more drop would be nice. I'm gonna be honest. One more drop would be nice. Fast one. A fast wick. And it's actually looking like we might get it. Let's see. Let's check on the one. If we're gonna get it, now is the time. Right here. Oh, baby. Look at this. 5-minute time frame. We have vector below us, right? I mean, it was kind of recovered, but we do have a vector below us. Let's check the 10. 10, we have the vector that was not recovered, right? 10-minute, we have the vector below us. Look, 1-minute time frame right now is looking primed. Money flow is increasing significantly. If we all of a sudden just get a boom, boom, bang, bang, then, right? Just bang, 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 bang. Seemingly out of nowhere. Remember, guys, the best moves are the ones that are like the seemingly out of nowhere one, right? This would be seemingly out of nowhere. It's like, what the hell just happened? Boom, 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 boom. Right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Boy? You know what I'm saying, lads? Guys, let's do this real quick. We have to do this. We have to. Non-negotiable. We gotta hit our party, baby. We gotta hit our party. Where is it at? Right here. We gotta do this, man. Y'all know we gotta do this, guys. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, y'all know. We do this every day, and it ain't gonna stop now. So while we're waiting for the bang bang, let's hit our party, guys. Smash the like buttons, and during the party time, listen, guys, if I have helped you make money in any way for free, and I provided any value, let me see those money bag emojis in the chat right now. We're gonna do this, baby. Let's go. Let me see the money bag emojis.
Me, but this time I'll let you be. Cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you
My
should.
invisibility
And
cloak.
all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? But does he know your heart?
Guys, is anybody a fan of Harry Potter?
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart
Oh, man.
where it truly lies?
All right, guys, let's see if we can dump the Bitcoin price dumper, baby.
You should stay with him, cause he seems like he's good.
Let me see the money bags. Let me see the money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags.
You should, and all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true.
Money bags, money bags.
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies?
Yeah.
Does he know the reasons that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he?
Tell me, does he know? Man, that was fun. Woo! That was sick, guys. That's the best part of every stream. All right, man. Let's see if we can dump her, baby. Let's get this long together. Let me get my TA shades. I'm sorry. I'm screaming at you guys. The volume was still loud for me. All right, let me check the chat. Let's go, baby. We like seeing that. Now I got to read all your comments in between the money bags. Oh, this is a kind of a banger now too, though. All right. Go, Gio. What's up, Adrian? How are you, brother? How was your weekend? Meme coin pumped a lot. Harry Potter. Yo, you guys see that? Harry. I guess that's how they did the invisibility cloak. I just realized that it was probably just a green screen. Man, these money bags, baby. That's what we like to see, boys. All right, listen, guys. Let's see if we can hit this short. I mean, long. Don't short here. I want a fast move, baby. Let's check the 5-second time frame. All right, money's coming out on the 5. If we get a nice divergence here, boom, there's your entry. We're going to have money flow diverging over time on the 5 while money's coming out. Beautiful, guys. I want to see this. One more drop. One more drop. This is not enough liquidity grabbed, in my opinion. I want to see a fast wick. The faster, the better. The faster, the better. All right, guys, listen. VIP code o'clock, baby. VIP code o'clock. If you are not in the VIP Discord. How many people actually do we have in the VIP Discord right now? 59 of you guys are already watching. Thanks, guys. Appreciate y'all. Listen, we got 59 people in the VIP Discord. Guys, if you are not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. Link in the description down below. Sometimes I talk too fast to even make sense, which is really annoying when I edit my videos. But anyways, come over to the Discord on the top right here, the GeoBot. Make sure... Why did nobody tell me that my face was so big that whole time? In the VIP Discord, in the Discord on the top right, head over to the GeoBot and type in 6816, okay? Come over here. You go 6816, hit enter, and homeboy will say you have been granted access to the private channel. And may I say, what a handsome robot he is, okay? Absolutely stunning, let me just say. 6816, guys. Make sure you head over now to the VIP Discord. And yeah. You know, get all this fire. You get all this Grinch behavior here in the VIP. Oh, man. All right. What's going on? Bitcoin, man. That's not what we want to see, baby. We want to see one more down. I want one more down, man. I want one more down. Let's check the one. It's looking like we might not get it. I have to be honest with you guys. I have to. I would like it. I very much would like it, though. Look, this is what I think. Either two things are going to happen. One of two things. This is how we build our narrative, guys. This is how we build our narrative. I either think we come down, like, relatively soon. We could just range here for a little bit, come down one more time, and then come up. If we do that, if we come down one more time, and then we come up, I think we're probable to come and take these highs. Right? We're probably going to come back up to here. If we come down first. If we do not come down first, then I think it is probable that we do something like this. Let's say we continue ranging a little bit. Right? Whatever. Then we come up. I think we hit this order block. Maybe SFP it. Maybe SFP this high. Right? There's probably another order block up here. There's a range-based order block for sure. So, you know, coming in this zone. Let's see. What time frame was this order block? 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour order block. Man, this 1 hour order block was already mitigated. So, I don't know if I really like that one. I don't even think we come to this high, if I'm being honest. What I think is if we come higher first, then we're going to reject from here. Right? We're going to reject from here, come down, hit this level, come up, and then we might even continue lower, if I'm being honest. I actually think if we go up now, we're going to come down lower. But I do think that if we come down first and we hit this level, then we will do this. So basically, long story short, I either think up, down, and then we'll see what happens. Or I think down and then up and we break this. And we start to like target these highs up here. And of course, I mean, I haven't done full TA on that case scenario because we don't know where the low would be. But when I do that, when I do the full TA on it, I will of course update it in the VIP. So, you know. I will of course update it. All right, guys, that's basically our narrative, man. That is our narrative. 116 likes, 115 viewers. Thank you, guys. Appreciate y'all for hitting the like button for me. Okay, guys, listen. Hear me out. All right, hear me out. Who wants the bootcamp giveaway? Who wants the bootcamp giveaway? I see no comments for 5 minutes. Gio, my favorite session might pump it. Don't talk to me about the Asian session, bro. Listen, if we come down and we hit these order blocks and we hit our zone, cool. Cool. I'm cool with it. Go ahead. Go ahead and pump it, Asia. No problem. But we have to hit the zone first. I want to hit the zone first. Ganesh says, what's up, brother? How are you, man? I'm doing well. How was your weekend? You're from India. Shouts out from Canada. Guys, listen. I want to do a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway for my boot camp, but I will leave it in your hands. I am going to give away either one person gets all 3 boot camps or 3 people get 1 boot camp of their choosing. So you tell me what you guys prefer. So for 1 boot camp, or sorry, so type 1 winner or 3 winners. If it's 1 winner, that 1 winner will get all 3 boot camps. If it's 3 winners, then they will each get 1 boot camp. Mattis, if I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry, but Matty Stein says, what's the difference between a 5-minute order block and a 1-hour order block? Get the order blocks boot camp, man. You'll find out. All right, let's make a tally. So 3 people, 3 people, 3 people, 3 people, 3 people. You're in Australia. Oh, man, son. Shouts out to you and shouts out to Australia. How are the kangaroos? Make sure the kangaroos hit the like button for me. 3 winners, 3 winners, 3 winners. Me, 1 winner. All right, it looks like people want 3 winners. Should I do 2 winners or no? We'll do 3. We'll do 3. 3 winners. Okay. All right. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay. I told you guys that we're gonna do, I want to do it fun, man. I don't want to just like do a comment picker and then like, man, I want to make it fun. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get you guys all to comment on one of my recent videos, and then I'm gonna do a random comment picker. How should I do this? I'm trying to think. I want a good way to do this. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna give you guys a video to comment on. Then we're gonna do a random comment picker for 3 people. Those 3 people will be entered into, and I told you guys this on Friday that this is how we were gonna do it. Okay, those 3 people will be entered into the Discord, into like a Discord. You guys, and I'm sorry, you're gonna have to show your face. You're gonna have to. What are those square crackers called? Square cracker soup. These. We're gonna do the competition with these because that's what's gonna make it fun, man. That's what's gonna make it fun. So I'm gonna pick 3 people. Those 3 people have to eat 5 of these or 6 of these in one, or whoever finishes all 6 of them without water gets all 3. And the other 2 will get 1. That's how we're gonna do it. So if you want to participate in getting all 3 people have to play the game. So you're gonna eat 6 of these. Whoever wins the 6, whoever eats all 6 without water first, live on the Discord in front of everybody, yes, you have to show your face, is gonna get all 3 boot camps. Whoever comes in second is gonna get 1, and whoever comes in last gets none. That's how we're doing it. So one's gonna get 3 boot camps, one's gonna get 1 boot camp, and the last one's gonna get 0. That's how we're doing it. So if you guys don't want your face in it, then don't comment. First place is gonna get all 3 boot camps. Second place is gonna get 1 boot camp. Third place is not gonna get anything. They don't sell it in your country? What country are you in? Okay, maybe we'll do fruit roll-ups then or something. If you win it. Let's see if you win it first. Does that sound fair, guys? Can we get some Y's in the chat? Let me see some Y's in the chat. Let me see some Y's in the chat. That's what the challenge is gonna be, because that's what's fun. And we're gonna do it on like a Friday evening or whatever, a time that's good for everybody. And let's get some Y's in the chat. I think that's fair, man. And it's fun, and we all get to meet each other. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Nobody has these at home? Guys, go buy it. Don't have any? Used to kill those with some chicken noodle soup. Yup, big deal. Big yup. Yeah, we could do drinking beers too. Fine, how about this? It won't necessarily be those crackers, but we will come up with a, like a something to do. Like something has a challenge of consuming something. So either beers or crackers, or like we'll come up with something fair. But I think that's fair, man. So first place gets all 3. Second place gets 1. Third place gets none. Any real dry biscuits. It has to be the same though, bro. It has to be the same. All right, we're getting some Y's in the chat. Okay, guys, go over. This is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. Head over to the YouTube. Okay, come to this video, which is my last video. Dak, if you can pin that, please. Come over to that video and comment. Comment, Geo, I want the boot camp giveaway. Maybe I can pin it. Gallon of milk. Listen, well, the 3 winners can decide amongst themselves. You guys, the 3 winners can decide amongst themselves what they have to do. But it has to be on video and it has to be in the Discord. And guys, you have to show your face. And whoever finishes first gets all 3 boot camps. Whoever finishes second gets 1 boot camp. And whoever finishes third gets no boot camp. Sorry. So head over there now. Send the comments in now. And I'll do the you know what you could do? Listen, I don't care if you guys do this, but we don't know what you look like. So if you want to get your Hulk friend that can eat like 100 hot dogs in like 10 seconds and say that it's you, like, I don't know. So it's fine. I don't care. It'll be fun, man. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. All right, guys, while we're waiting for those comments to come in, and by we, I obviously mean me, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if we let's see if we hit this long, man. I want to hit this long. I really want to hit it. I really want to hit this long. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can get it. We got the money flow diverging. We got all things look good for it if we get one more fast drop down. Especially if it comes out of seemingly nowhere. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. All right, do we have any where are our comments? Are they coming in or what? Guys, Bitcoin is... All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 6, 7, 8. Let's go, baby. 9, 10. All right, okay. All right, what time is it right now? It's 11:40. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes, guys. Go like the video while you're there, and push-up challenge, maybe, man, maybe. You guys can decide amongst yourselves. I don't care. You guys can decide what you want to do amongst yourselves. It's gotta be fun though. Hit the like button while you're there. Go comment on the video that I just linked if you want the bootcamp giveaway. First place gets all 3 boot camps. Second place gets 1 boot camp. Third place gets gets nada. All right, Bitcoin, man. Come on. Let's come on the lower turn time frames. Let's see what's happening while we're waiting for those comments. Man, this could be it. This could be it. I really hope not. But that could have been it. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like a good low for me. It doesn't look low enough for me. It's just not... Like, that's the liquidity that we grab, bro. Really? By, like, $20? $25? It could be, but... I don't know. I'm not really satisfied. I have to be honest. Push up? Nah. Can't, seriously. You guys are muscular. Janice. Listen, it's gonna be fair because all 3 members are gonna decide on something. You guys will decide. I don't care what it is. You 3, whoever are the winners, can decide amongst yourselves. In the meantime, random YouTube comment picker. I don't even know, like, how to do this. I have to be honest. Never done this before. All right. I think I just do this and I just hit 1. I'm gonna keep duplicate users. I'm gonna keep the duplicates. I don't even care. You guys can comment 6,000 times if you want. No, don't, please. I think it'll count as spam. But I don't want to filter duplicate users because someone that might have actually commented on it might have already commented and then it will be a duplicate. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. All right, Bitcoin. While we're waiting, we're going to give it a little bit more. I want to see that drop down, man. A little bit more. Nice fat wick out of seemingly nowhere, preferably to bounce right off of the order block. That would be so sexy. Oh, it's doing it. It's going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way, Bitcoin. You're not behaving. Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin likes to do lately, which is not behaving. But we are getting the bullish signals here on the lower term time frames and the higher term time frames. Kind of. Right? Kind of. It's looking like this 1 hour div may still play out. But again, man, this does not look like a nice low for me. I would like a little bit lower. I would like a little bit lower, I have to say. Closest you get to doing a push-up is when your face gets back up and falling on your face. Man, y'all are funny, guys. Hit the like button if you haven't already done so. We've been at 300% since Friday's stream, which we took that trade live, and we've been at 300 doing literally nothing. I am so bored. I am super, super bored. Justin just went long. Well, sir, I hope it works out for you. I do hope it works out for you. We'll see what happens, man. See what happens. All right, guys. Random comment picker. Shall we do it? Did y'all all comment or what? 1 hour and 4 hour bottomed. I agree, man. The 1 hour is bottomed. Let's see the 4. 4 still has more juice. 4 got more gas. I gotta be honest. But 4 is actually technically giving us a golden nugget, right? But it doesn't mean we can't very quickly wick down. I want to see that wick. And if it goes up, man, it goes up. We missed it. No problem. But for me, I want to wait. I want to hit this low. I really would like to hit it. All right, guys. Let's do the comment picker. Okay. Let's do this. Let's make a new roll. And let's call it giveaway contestants. Make it nice and green. All right, so we got a new roll for our giveaway contestants, right? Oh, we're pumping, baby. Bitcoin is getting its pump on. Let's see what happens here at this high. In the meantime, ready? How do I even do this? Solve the sum. 6. Get YouTube comments. 45 comments. How do I do it? Do I have to pay for this? How do I, like, actually do it? I don't even know how to do it. Get comments. 3. Get comments. Start raffle. Oh, okay. All right, cool. This is fun. All right, Tony Staglerio. Mr. Tony Staglerio, please do me a solid, man, and DM Dak. Dak, you're still in the house, right? Yeah, Dak is still here. DM Dak in the Discord. Man, we're pumping, boys. We are pumping. Wow. DM Dak on the Discord, and he will add you to that thing, to that role, that new role that we had. Dak, if you can do that for me, please. And thank you. Congratulations, Tony Staglerio. You are going to be a contestant of our bootcamp giveaway. Man, this is fun. All right, guys, that's the first one. Please do me a favor, man. DM Dak. If you don't DM Dak, it won't count. All right, next one. Let's see what we get. Oof, that's not the comment that I want to see. I want to see the bootcamp. Shouts out to Javier. Appreciate you, but that ain't one. Let's go again. Pick another winner. Oh, that's a bot that we need to delete. Next. All right, Daniel is the next one. Daniel, sir. Congratulations, you are a contestant of our bootcamp giveaway. First place gets all 3. Second place gets 1. And third place gets zip. Sorry, not sorry. Congratulations, Daniel. Please DM Dak. Dak will add you into that role in the Discord, and we're gonna have some fun with it. One more, baby, one more. Oh, shouts out Adrian, but nope. Next. I don't see the word boot camp. Shouts out to Tivo. Nope. Next. Oh, Tony wins again. We're not going to do that. Next. What are the odds, man? What are the odds? All right. Last one is Charant. I can't say that, man. I'm so sorry, but congratulations to Charant. You are also a contestant for the bootcamp giveaway. Please DM Dak, and Dak will add you guys to that new role. Thank you guys for playing. We'll do another one in December time. We'll do another one in December. But for now, these are our 3 contestants. So please make sure to DM Dak. Let's check CVD real quick while we're here. All right, so longs are coming in, guys. People are starting to long. Yeah, longs are definitely coming in. For sure, longs are starting to come in. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens. I still want a little bit lower. Maybe we come up and we hit our order block first and then we come down. I don't know. But for now, we'll see what it is. We'll see how it goes. Look at the 8-hour BTC USDT. I mean, USDT is going to look the same as USD, so I'm just going to chill here. But yeah, it does look bearish. But remember, man, we're just coming up to potentially recover this order block. Let's do TA on the fly real quick. What time is it? Let's do TA on the fly. Dak, did they all DM you, bro? Do we got 3 members in? We got 1, man. We got 1 winner only. We need the other 2 members to DM Dak here. DM Dak. And thanks again, Dak. Okay. Let's do TA on the fly. Let's see what we see. Let's start on the daily very, very quickly. I just want to see if we printed any daily levels. We did. We do have a daily level now. All right, so this is actually a strong daily. This is a very strong daily. And this is now a tap daily. Not interested anymore. Right here. We got another daily. Okay, so if we come back up to 37.8, 37.9, that is strong resistance, guys, I have to say. I don't think we're going to, if I'm being completely honest with you. I don't think we're going to take this value area high again. I really don't. I still remain bearish. I still want to come down a little bit lower. But I don't think we tap this value area high again until we tap the value area low, in my opinion. Yo, commenting on this video. Guys, you have to comment on the other video. Not on this one. Not on this one. All right. So let's come and do TA on the fly. Look, I'll tell you this right off the bat, right? This is liquidity for sure. For sure, this is built up liquidity. I do think that we can make our way back up there. I do believe so. But, right, like, based on probability, if once we break the value area high, we come down to the value area low. So it's possible that we come down here. We also have this vector candle. I mean, it has been recovered and we have swept liquidity. I'm not going to say that we haven't, right? I'm not going to just stick bearish and call it a day. No, we have to be objective, right? The lower term time frames are suggesting that we might get a little bit of a move up, which is what we're getting right now. However, I still would prefer a little bit lower. But I'll tell you this. We have 2 strong daily levels along with our daily SFP level right above all of these highs. Okay? And good confluence with this vector candle that could still get recovered. So could we come up and take this liquidity? 100%. Could we come up and SFP up here? 100%. So let's build the narrative. Let's start doing TA. We'll get our golden pocket. Look at that. Perfect confluence, right? We have our golden pocket up here as well. So for sure, right off the jump, this is a giga short zone. Giga. Okay, giga short zone. And I will do full TA on it after stream. But this is just off the jump. Right off the week. What did the weekly do? Yeah, we got a weekly level there as well. Close enough. Right? If we were given this is a gift. And we have a few SFPs that we could look for. So Truly, this is a gift right now. If we make it up there, I would rather come down. This is best case scenario, in my opinion, right? Is over the next couple hours, we make our way down. Wherever we stop this here, perhaps it was up here, perhaps it's up here. I don't know. I would like to see this, 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 this. For me, that's the best case scenario. Right? Best case scenario for me. Good morning, JG. How you doing? Yo, did I check the CME gap? I didn't check it. I don't even know, man. I don't even check it, if I'm being honest. Here. Yeah, we do have a CME gap up here. Yeah, we do have a little bit of a gap up here. And we have the vector candle. I wouldn't be surprised if we do make it up there. So that's good confluence as well. We're going to mark that on our main chart. 38,350 to 38,535. I don't typically follow the CME gaps, but I mean, it's not bad to. Right? And so... Oh, wait. We didn't even make it that high here. So the CME gap would probably be like right up here, which is good confluence with our zone. So this is a super giga short, guys. Super giga short zone. And of course, I will update you guys in the VIP. All right. What are the codes for the VIP? Good question. All right, I'll give you guys the codes for the last time. I'll give you guys the codes for the last time this stream. I already gave it twice, so you're in luck if you're here while Bitcoin is getting its pump on. I still prefer lower, but it's possible. Maybe we just come up a little bit more, grab this liquidity, and then continue down. Maybe we go up to 38 from here. I don't know. I don't know. Right, we definitely have the divs, right? We got the money flow divs and the momentum flow divs, but I just want one more, man. I want one more low. I don't like the way that these lows look. They're not spicy enough for me. All right, guys, VIP code for the last time. If you're new here and you don't know how it works, first things first, please do me a favor and hit the like button if you haven't already done so. But second thing second, I have a free VIP section that you can join by DMing my bot at the top right in the Discord. The VIP code, every time I post a new code, I purge you guys, so I delete you from VIP. And then, every time I post a new video. And then when I post a new video, there's going to be a new code. And you do this every time. And by the way, guys, if you're at work or whatever and you're inconvenienced by these codes, you can opt to pay monthly for the VIP if you so choose. And then you don't get purged. Anyways, come over here, top right, GeoBot, 4-digit code 6816. Right? Come over here, type 6816 to Mr. GeoBot. He will give you this message. You have been granted with the GeoPod, whatever. And that's how she goes. So 6816. That's the last time y'all get it. This stream. God, bro, you're back again. You shouldn't have left, man. We did a giveaway. Seems like a huge range for Monday. Yeah, Mondays are typically boring. JG, good morning, man. I appreciate you. Thank you, bro. All right. How do we got our contestants in or what? How are we doing with these guys? Yes, we do. We got our 3 members. So I'll make a chat between us and we'll chat. We'll chat, man. We'll chat, guys. All right, BTCZ. Let's come on the lower term time frame. Let's see what's happening. Okay, 5 second right now. I would want to see a divergence here. I would want to come up a little bit higher. Sweep the liquidity that's up here. Right, there is liquidity up here. Although, like, if we're being honest, right, like there is liquidity here. Or there was liquidity here. Right, but that liquidity was swept and then we came down. So if we do take this wick, which is possible, perhaps we're going to come and make our way back up to these highs, right? 37,500-ish, perhaps. For me, it doesn't really make sense to come and sweep this and then continue down. I mean, we could, but this liquidity was already swept. So we'll see what happens now. We shall see what happens. EA says hello from France. Hello from Toronto, Canada, man. How are you? Puis-je aller aux toilettes? Guys, this Bitcoin non-dump is getting old, man. I want to see a minus 20% day because we already know it's coming. It's just a matter of time. It's going to take some time to turn. It is what it is, you know? Man, yeah, bro. You should have been here, God. I don't know. What do you want from me? I told you guys on Monday we were doing the giveaway. But. All you got to do is move, baby. All right, guys. How long has it been? It's been an hour and 40 minutes. Did daily money flow start to bend? Let's check the daily money flow. Yeah. Ever so slightly, yeah. Man, guys, there's no doubt. Look, like, we could come up, we could come down, we could scalp all of it, right? But in general, we are to be prioritizing the shorts. Like, there's no doubt in my mind about it. No doubt in my mind about it. Even if we take the high again and we get another divergence again for like the 10th time, which is possible, right? Even if that happens, we are still to be prioritizing the shorts, in my opinion, guys. Money flow is looking ugly. And 6-hour money flow just turned red. 4-hour money flow. Wait for the 4-hour to turn red with the 6. 3 hours in the red. 2 hours should be probably in the red. Yeah, 2 hour just turned into the red as well. So for the first time in a very long time, we're getting money flow and momentum wave divs on the higher term time frame, guys. There's no doubt in my mind, no question about it. We are to prioritize the shorts. Daily plus weekly, still bullish after Saturday and Sunday close. No, not really. The weekly time frame actually now also confirmed the SFP. Right? The weekly time frame just confirmed the SFP. So in a couple days, there will be a new monthly candle. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see. What do all the people who are really upset they didn't win get? Man, don't do this to me, bro. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. Is this a 5-minute cheat sheet entry forming? Let's check. Dance with the groove, baby. By the way, guys, I am going to like I mentioned in the beginning of the stream, I am developing a 5-minute. Oh, we're just at VWAP. I am developing a 5-minute strategy for you guys. All right, just a 5-minute strategy. All right, man, we're testing VWAP right now. Could this be a cheat sheet entry? I would say probably not, because money flow is increasing and we had divs here. So I would say no. Doesn't mean we won't come down. Doesn't mean we'll go up either. I don't know. I do not know. Technically right now on the 3, we're getting hidden divergences, which is bearish, obviously. Hidden bearish divergences. The 5-minute time frame is also, if it starts a curve and starts to reject VWAP, also going to give us hidden bearish divergences. So you got to do is dance with the crew. Anyways, guys, listen, y'all know how we already roll, man. High value, top 1% or bust, baby. Top 1% or bust. And so, did you long the bottom and you're up a couple $100? Congratulations. Did we do that? No, because we were not in our zone. And this is what's going to get you in a Lambo, okay? Discipline. Not saying you were wrong for taking the long. I said that could have been a decent low. And it could be, man. This could take us to 40K. I don't know, right? Could. I don't think it will, but it could. And so, that's the name of the game, baby. Don't ever forget it. All right, let's hit one more party here. Let's hit one more party and then call it a day. All you gotta do is it and where's how to save a life? Man, I wish I could do copyrighted songs. It would be so much more fun. All right, man. You already know what time it is, guys. If I have helped make you any money for free on YouTube, or in the Discord, do me a solid and show me those money bag emojis in the chat right now while we hit this goodbye, farewell, so long, ta-ta, see you again party. I appreciate all y'all for kicking it with me. Let me see those money bags so we can make some money bags. In the bitterness, while I'm gonna be Harry Potter here. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. My cloak of invisibility, but I know how to save a life. Sometimes you just gotta be a kid. How to save a life. Money bags, guys. Where are the money bags at? I want to see the money bags. Thank you to each and every one of you for kicking it with me every day. I appreciate y'all. Listen, I still think this trade might happen. Guys. Okay? We'll see what happens with the VWAP right here. Perhaps we get one more down, one more up, right? Remember, I'm saying it. And that's what I want. One more down, one more up. Regardless, we do not long if we're not in our zone. We do not short if we're not in our zone. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord, so make sure that you join. Oh, wait. I'm on the screen big again. Make sure that you guys join, and when we get this trade, I got my alert set, man. When we get this trade, I will keep you guys updated. For now, my limits will remain in place, and I do think that we might get it. We might get it today. We might get it tomorrow. I do not know, but I do believe we will get it. How to save a life. All right, y'all, have a good day. Gio is gonna go hit the gym and update the gains chat. There's a subscription service that allows me to play copyrighted songs on YouTube. You're lying. No way. I don't buy that. Are you serious? If you plan to include copyright or whatever, you'll generally need to add... No. I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. Listen, if you could do me a solid and look it up for me, that would be amazing. I would very much appreciate you while we are fighting VWAP here, and let's see if we break it. But guys, that's it for today's video, or today's stream rather. I don't know why I said that, but that's it for today's stream. A bunch of absolute nothing, right? A bunch of absolute nothing. I'm gonna update the Discord right now. Let me do a little bit of TA and see if I can find us some shorts. First level that we got to watch is this SFP right here. We'll see what happens right now. We're fighting VWAP. Crazy, man. Crazy how stubborn Bitcoin is lately. But anyways, nonetheless, guys, I will see you guys in the next stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll make a video today. Probably will. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, cool. Monkey, thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it. Stick around for the outro because the outro is fire. I'll see you guys in the VIP Discord, and I'll see you guys when we hit this trade, if we hit this trade. And hopefully we do. See you guys. Peace out. Take care. Have a good one. See you later. Have a good week. Happy Monday and all the other things. Peace out.
Set my heart on fire.